Hi, it's Tanmika here. Today I would like to talk about folding umbrellas. Here's the question for everybody. What country does the folding umbrella originate from? The answer is Germany. Shocking, huh? I know I was. I was kind of surprised. I thought it would have been Japan. If you are from Japan, even if it's raining lightly, almost everyone will use the umbrella. It's almost like a cultural thing, even though it didn't originate from Japan. The folding umbrella has become an integral part of our daily lifestyle. It can be described as Japanese culture. Here are some points. Number 1. Japan likes compact stuff. There are a lot of compact culture, like kimono, origami, byobu, and sensu or something. So it was easy for Japanese to embrace the folding umbrellas. Number 2, high humidity in Japan. Because of the high humidity in Japan, once they get wet, it takes longer to dry. That's why they don't want to get wet. Especially in the big city like Tokyo, because of the climate. People tend to always check weather forecast. If it's light shower or not so sure if it's raining, they bring folding umbrella. But if it's heavy rainy, they're gonna bring the normal umbrella. Number 3, Japan has rainy season and also typhoon season. So the folding umbrella is a part of the fashion for Japanese. The rainy season can dampen people's mood. To lighten mood, some people use the umbrella as a fashion accessory. Number 4, UV protection. In Japanese culture, there are still many people who believe white skin is beautiful. The folding umbrella is light and easy to carry. So anytime it's a lot of sunlight, they use umbrella for blocking sun as well. There is a special umbrella with function to block UV. How was my video today? I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you guys again soon. またね